These are my new glasses from ZENNI.com, not sponsored. And they came really fast. You know, ZENNI is a discount eyeglass place online. And for $40, I just had to see, you know, what the deal is. And to compare, I've got some other brand new glasses that I just got here that were like $150 at my local place. And they're not even that great. So for $40, let's open this. I've got my camera here so I can do a little desktop cam. I've never done the desktop cam before. So let's try to open this. I think the best way to open this is just like poke a little hole in it. By the way, the dog jumped up on the bag like instantly, and it's a good thing that inside here there's a very sturdy case. Let's see where I need to hold this so that it'll show up. That's good. I think that'll work fine. That's a nice case. Look at that. It's super strong. I mean, this case is super strong. It's got to be so they can ship it, right? Do I need to just format this card and start over? Sorry, I had to do an SD card change. So what is this? What is this thing? I have no idea what this is. Protect your eyes from harmful blue light by adding... Oh, this is a measuring thing. So this is apparently for just measuring things. Sorry, this is apparently for measuring things that have to do with your face, your eyes, and pupillary distance and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. I've been kind of wanting something like this, so that's nice to have. All right, I have my glasses pulled down so that I can actually read things, because when they're further away from your eyes, you can read up close better. Let's open these up. These are clear frames. Yeah, looks like they gave me the right ones. It's the first time I've ever done this. For years I've heard about. Let's get that focus going. There we go. I've got to figure out these cameras. For years I have heard about these and seen lots of my friends get these various glasses, and just see. I mean, I've never been really impressed with them, and I'm not expecting anything great. All right, these look about right to me. Oh, the coating is really nice. You can probably see it. Let me see. Let me try to get it to focus. I'm working with an upside down camera. It's a lot of moving parts going on for me right now. Yeah, so the coating is really nice actually. I'm gonna take my glasses off. Maybe you compare them. This one's kind of purple and green, which means it kind of looks like it's got two coatings on it. And mine are just green. I think that this one might be the better one. This one's kind of green. This one's kind of purple green, like it's got different things going on. I don't know. I'm just going to put them on. Here we go. All right, let's see if there's any issues here. I'll see if I can see it all. Wow. I like them. I like this a lot. $40. All right, let's give it an honest review here. All right. I like the way they look. I'm going to have to try different outfits and see how I feel with that. Real quick, I'm going to put my old glasses under the camera here. This is my first time using the camera on a it's actually on a mic stand above my desk. This is my Canon G7X. Okay, there's not much to focus on here. How about this? Yeah. I don't know how well that's doing. You get the idea. But I can see with these new glasses, and the lenses are really clear. And immediately I just want to like get more. Like I want to keep these, and I really like them. Okay, so let's take a closer look. At least let me take a closer look at the thickness of the lens. Wow, it's actually really thin, really well done. I'll try to get it on the camera here. Let me just make sure you can still hear me talk. I gotta move around a little bit, sorry. Okay, there we go. We've got the focus. Let's see if it keeps it. These are great optics. This is amazing. I love the clear frame too. I saw some clear framed glasses in a thrift store the other day, and I was like, I think I want to get some clear frame prescription glasses. These are so cool. I am so happy right now. And I was not expecting much. I didn't think I'd like them. They're high quality. Oh my God. They are so much better than the glasses I just bought that I just spent $300 on that I didn't have and couldn't afford. Oh my goodness. Okay, now let me make sure that I'm in focus here. Somewhere around right there. That's good. All right. That's awesome. I'm happy. I got my new glasses from ZENNI, not sponsored. Here's my old glasses. And there's my new glasses. And I'm gonna wear these. You know what I look like right now? I look like David Letterman. Don't you think? Don't you think? Didn't he wear it? I feel like he has glasses like this, David Letterman. And who else? Maybe the guy from Mr. Show. I don't know. I'm just having images come into my head right now. What's the deal with these glasses? I mean, do I look like I'm from New York City? I'm so glad this worked out, because it's so depressing when, you spend money and you take a chance on something kind of sight unseen. I didn't see them in person. And I really just took a chance. So that's super amazing. And I think that's all that's in this. And there's this crazy little, this is kind of cool. This cloth. Is that in focus? I don't know. I guess so. So obviously I've got a lot to learn with these cameras and stuff. I like this cloth. It's cool. All right. Thanks for going on this journey with me. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'm loving my glasses. Peace.